Has lockdown got you feeling down? Well, turn that frown upside down because I've got something so exciting to tell you. Starting next week on Monday, I've got my 20-day beginner's home workout challenge starting. All you need is a little bit of energy, a little bit of enthusiasm, and we can take it from there. All you'll need to allocate is 10 minutes from your day for the next 20 days for your health, fitness, and well-being. The workouts go out at 6:30 in the morning. You can do them at any point in the day, and if you're feeling super energetic and you really love them, like I think you will, you can do them more than once and you'll have access to them afterwards. So really, what are you waiting for? And if you book before Sunday night, you will get a bonus recipe book with 5 super simple, tasty and nourishing recipes to help you get through the next lockdown. So try and do something positive for you for the next 20 days and join me and a group of awesome supportive people for 10 minutes a day of workout, fun, laugh and giggles. So click on the link or head on to my website to book now. It's just £20 and I promise you, you are not going to regret it. £1 a day, what a bargain. Sign me up. See you there team, bye!